ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, 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 bells.
Piano in the bell, 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 bell.
Jingle bell, bell, bell,
Orange time quote.
Focused on their plates. Are you ready to play? Let's begin.
It's been a really long time.
You're still with us.
I do?
1,
There you go.
2. I see you're
So
still.
we were watching Brain Comics and I just got traumatized as fuck.
Follow the card as Apollo Robbins tries to misdirect you.
Now, if we put this inside the deck, we can see a boundary.
And we're doing awful
right there
sweater
inside the
things that
center.
you can
Get mine,
Which becomes a
Brain
massive
Comics.
block.
She's coming.
And then have you spotted the ace of diamonds?
Okay. No. Wait, Matt.
Those things?
Matt, are you recording?
What the fuck? You shouldn't record right now. She told me.
I have an idea. Becca, she's recording.
This part. Okay, and make sure.
Yeah, it's
There. Okay.
it's what we're supposed to do. This is an act.
No, I don't.
Oh no, but be in it too.
Yeah, so go.
Okay, guys, come on. Where's Panyo? Anna.
She better not be recording.
I think Russ is gonna be a good a camera because like the rest of us were like this. Anna, oh my god. Anna.
Oh my God, where's Anna?
Anna, just stop wasting time. Oh my god. Okay, guys, come. Everybody here.
Harry. Shit.
Oh, I'm gonna be like, who's gonna be in charge? Guys, why are you holding over there?
Okay, guys.
Oh my.
How are we supposed to go that? We have to do it right there.
Excuse me, we don't know who that is.
Just yo, that's my dad. You need Oscar Ivan Hernandez?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
You need Oscar Ivan Hernandez?
Yes, is he available?
No, not right now. I'm in school. My dad's busy.
Oh, alright, then I'll try to reach him another time.
Come by, call you later.
Alright, thank you.
Okay, come on. Fuck off. Fuck. Oh my god. These random numbers.
Are you recording? Okay. I started recording again because you guys take forever. My hand's fucking hurting on me.
All too organized. We're all too organized. We're all too disorganized. They're all too disorganized. I'm trying to do this.
No. This is our last.
Guys,
we're posting it like
Becca, we have 3 hours. We still have 3 hours.
I know, but it's not
Real beef.
I know.
We should post it as bloopers.
Please.
Okay, you already know what to do. Don't cover this part. Like that.
And then this. And then this is what it's gonna take you like that. Oh.
No, it's because we're doing a play right here. We're doing like a Christmas play.
Yeah, but you need to be supervised. You can't be like
You are supervising us.
I'm not, 'cause